teaching moment.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. It's Hesiod. Once again, I've decided to try out something new. I'm going to build a PC for myself. Now, why should you even care about this? Well, stick around because I promise you're in for a ride. You might just pick up a few tips and tricks as I stumble through this journey. And hey, we might have a laugh or two along the way. You might be wondering why I, someone who probably couldn't tell apart a round stick and a candy cane a few months ago, am embarking on a journey to build a custom PC. So, let's address the elephant in the room. My ancient trusty companion, or as I call her, Old Faithful. This thing has been with me since, well, practically forever. I bought it back in the day around 2018 with a noble intention of being a productivity powerhouse. And it did its job, bless its circuits. From office applications to browsing, from binge watching videos on YouTube and streaming services, to battling pixelated armies in nostalgic games. It's been through it all. But she is growing old. Old Faithful, that is. And she wants to retire. I can feel it when I turn her on. But she won't respond to my touch. When I push her button, she creaks and squeaks. The humanity. Long story short, I need a new one. Old Faithful just doesn't cut it anymore in the year of our Lord 2024. So why not just stroll into a store and pick up a shiny pre-built beauty? A wild question indeed, but where's the challenge in that? Where's the satisfaction in plugging in a ready-made solution? No guys, I've opted for a different path. A path that involves diving headfirst into the world of CPU sockets and thermal paste. But fear not, for I come prepared, armed with determination, a pinch of knowledge which I'm happy to share with you, and a lot of patience. Now, let's talk strategy and my approach to tackling this problem I have to solve. Step 1, appraisal. I have to ask myself some questions like, what do I need? What do I want? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag for me. I want to dip my toes into gaming. Nothing too intense, mind you, but also need this rig to handle video editing like a champ. Oh, and let's not forget about that glorious 4K gaming potential on my LG OLED, which I want to take advantage of. Definitely. That thing is tired of just being a movie spitting out machine. It wants a real challenge, something only Atlas can deliver. Conclusion? I need a machine that can handle both my work and my playtime. Video editing by day, epic gaming sessions by night. Although I'm not a video editor, you might actually see that in this video. But I'm trying my best and it's a hobby and I have a lot of fun with it, but with Old Faithful she just can't stem it anymore. It's all about balance, you know. Another thing we mustn't forget about is the budget. As someone who likes to keep a tight rein on the purse strings, every penny counts, so DIY it is. Oh, and did I mention no RGB? Call me old-fashioned, but I prefer my tech to be sleek and understated. So, join me as I navigate the labyrinth of component compatibility and bargain hunting. Will I emerge victorious? Only time will tell. For the time being, stay tuned. On the next episode, we are going to explore how I pick the parts that suit my situation best and how you too can find the configuration that will make the best bang for your buck. Until then, remember to like and subscribe and brace yourselves for the adventure that awaits. This is just the beginning. See you soon.